To start, go to the home page in Crafty Smile. From there, you can either use the drop-down to select the option for bulk creating with a Google Drive file, or you can just click on the card that shows this feature. Like with other bulk tools, there's a job list that keeps track of everything you've done before. First, you'll need to choose a template. This is just a draft listing on Etsy that you've already set up to use as a starting point. If you don't know how to create a template, there's a help button with a video to walk you through it. Once that's done, you'll need to paste in a shared Google Drive folder link. I've already uploaded a folder for this demo. Inside that folder, there are two subfolders, one called Product for the digital product and one called Display for the images you want to use in the Etsy listing. The file name of the digital product will be used as the SKU of the product. For example, let's say I have a product file called SKU001.png and some image files called SKU001.png. The system will know these go together because the names all start with the same SKU, allowing you to have multiple images per product. The digital file from the product folder will be the downloadable item in the listing, and all matching images from the display folder will be added to the Etsy listing. To share the folder, just go to the folder and click on the share button next to the folder name. Make sure it's set to anyone with the link, then click on Copy Link. Go back to Crafty Smile and paste the link. If you store your product and display image in different folder name, you can adjust that in the next two fields. Now, find the SKU you want your shared folder. In this case, I'll add digital files and images by SKU and prepare the listings. For instance, SKU003 has two images because of the A and B suffixes, so both will be included in the listing. After selecting all the required listing, just click Add Job to start the upload. After a little while, it will say the job is complete. We can go to the draft listing page on Etsy, and there are the bulk upload listings. Looking at SKU003. The two listing images have been uploaded along with the video and 4 images from the template listing. Next is the digital file, and the SKU has also been updated. Other fields in the listings are identical to the template selected, and that's it. Your listings are now created and you can modify the title and tags.